So this week I visited Hamfest 2022 in Newark, England, and I'd like to show you a few of the things that I saw as I was walking around. Hope you enjoy this short video.
Right, I've seen a bit there.
Does that include delivery?
GW Bolt rather Victor Echo.
Really got you. VK3 Delta Echo Tango. VK3 Delta Echo Tango. This is Mike 0 X-ray. Yeah, Roger, Ernie. Very nice to work you for the first time. The name is Mike. You're 5 and 4, 5 and 5. And the call sign, just for confirmation, is Mexico 0, X-ray, Mexico, X-ray. Mike 0, X-ray, Mike X-ray. Ernie, over. Yeah, Roger. I'm actually using the Cam Hams setup at the moment. I'm in their van, and the call sign for Cam Hams, which you've just worked Mickey on, is Golf Bravo 22 November Hotel, GB22NH, and currently using an Elecraft K3 with an Elecraft KPA 500 amplifier with 400 watts into a cobweb, Ernie, over.
I'm not sure if there's some other operators that want to get through on that, but the band's finally opening up there right now.
Yeah, roger, roger, roger. I'll just correct one thing. It's not a cobweb, sorry. I think it's a hex beam. But anyway, yeah, I'll just see if there's anybody else that wants to join us. And yeah, very, very nice to work you for the first time there, Ernie. I'll pass it back to Mickey. And then Mickey can sort out if there's anybody else that would like to work you. But thank you very, very much for the copy there, Ernie. VK3 Delta Echo Tango, Mike 0, X-ray, Mike X-ray. 7-3, Ernie.
The other difference with our business is that we've sent ourselves
I hope you enjoyed that video. I didn't want to talk over too much of it. I think it's important that you got the atmosphere like you were there. There were a few notable absences. Radio World weren't there. Moonraker took the unusual decision to just literally have a presence, no kit on show, which I think was a mistake. I think people go to Hamfest because they want to see products. The busiest stand by far was ML&S. They were absolutely rammed all of the time. Two shout outs I'd like to give is Mike at CCOM. He had a great stand. Love talking to Mike. And also Chris, M0VUE from Radio Stuff. Very interesting, very knowledgeable guy. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, you might like to check out some of the other videos on the channel. Lots and lots of amateur radio videos. If you like things like this, you might want to go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to click the little bell, then you'll get notified when I release new videos. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.